So we're here at Automate, and Melton's built a booth that has unbelievable amount of capability. We're going to show you switching from one implement to an SKS torch. This torch is going to weld a stainless steel product that is very similar to what a customer of ours is bringing. But we're going to show you how we can coordinate 8 axes together. In fact, there's our positioner moving while the slide is moving and the robot's moving. So we have 8 axes of movement going on here. And yeah, you're correct, that is a toilet there in the center. So this presents a much more difficult application because, as you can see, there's lots of up and down, uneven, angular surfaces that we have to weld. So we need a lot of coordination between the different components. So we sync up motion between our table, the fixture holding that, and our torch. We're tracking an outside seam. Come by our booth, it's 2009. Come see some toilet welding and stay to find out how much you can make money using Melton to help automate your system.